y'all. Nah, my head is way too big for me to be starting a video like that. That was out of line. Anyways, today, I'm pretty sure y'all already read the title, so y'all already know what's going on. Today, we're working with Papayahair. Here is their cute little packaging. I've really never seen anything like this. It's so cute. Like, what? In the bag they gave us all of these headbands. I need headband 1, headband 2, headband 3, headband 4, headband 5, headband 6, headband 7, you feel me, with every outfit. Okay, Papaya did not come to play. They're not missing, sweetie. They are not missing, sweetie. She didn't do nothing. No, she didn't do nothing. Yeah, that's all that comes in the bag, of course. And then there's your wig. So here is what she is looking like, y'all. I have already gone ahead and washed this wig off camera. I just really want to see the true potential of the hair. So this is her freshly washed and air dried. She is a great density, y'all. Okay, she's not like your little thin headband wig. Because I've been seeing some headband wigs and I've been like, what are we doing here? We're already giving up the lace. Why are we now giving up the hair? Make it make sense. Anyways, we're gonna throw this little sucker on, shall we? I guess I should show you guys the cap construction. Here is what she's looking like on the inside. Your combs and your adjustable straps in the back. This is the headband wig, of course. It's your regular kind of cap construction. These are what her ends are looking like. They're a little frail, but they still have some texture to it, which is extremely important. So we're gonna throw her on, shall we? I don't know why I keep making these sounds like I'm an animal. Y'all, I'm trying to do something spicy with this. But let me go ahead and hurry up and put this thing on my head. Bada boom, bada bang, you got a style. I know I ain't got no edges right now, so my head's looking awfully large. She is big head friendly. So if you want to pull her all the way up to here, which I don't know why you would do, but you can. We love to see that. The texture of the hair is super lightweight and flowy. So far, no shedding. So far, so amazing. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. You know what I wanted to do? I really wanted to make the most out of my headband wig, okay? I wanted to add some bangs in here. Y'all think I could add some bangs? Let's see. So, when I was a kid and I started wearing extensions, bangs were in, okay? Bangs were in, honey. But extensions, like getting a sew-in, like you have your leave out, right? But I wasn't allowed to cut my leave out or else my mama was gonna beat my... You know? So I would make clip-ins for myself. I knew I had like some short leave out in the front, so like I could still make bangs. But I found some of my old bangs. Yeah. Yeah, found some old bangs. And you know, I just wanted to, you know, relive the past, bring back the dead, spice things up, you know, mix up the pot. I want to mix up the pot. So I don't know. Wait, it's kind of cute though. Okay, pass Olineece. Okay, y'all, wait, it's kind of cute though. Hold on. So let's make record that this has no clips in it. Today we're not gonna be doing clip-ins. Today we're gonna be doing ratchet bang with the help of our bobby pins. So let's get into it. What I'm gonna do is take a bobby pin and like put it on each corner, right? Just put it on the corner of the track like so. Okay, so here y'all see I've got the bobby pins. I'm just gonna take them and try to clip them in my natural hair. So I'm just gonna clip it onto my cap. If this works, somebody owes me some money. Somebody owes me some money, bro. Oh, maybe not. Hold off on the bank payment. And then you know what we're gonna do for the sides over here? We're just gonna pull those up closer, right? We're gonna pull those up closer. Boom, just like that. Boom, giving you Dorothy, Dora the Explorer. Boom, pink and orange. I told you, Papaya don't miss. I'm gonna go ahead, do this like that. Boom. Yeah, ooh, and a oop. And this is just killing. Oh, you can pull her down like that. I know y'all saw that. Y'all saw that finesse. Oof, finesse. Okay, cool. Now let's style it. Actually see how she turns out. Okay, and we're gonna see. So we're just gonna speed this part up. Okay, y'all. So I get these curls. They're real cute. Let me put some spray in them, but Anyways, I think what we all want to see is me finesse these bangs. Cause shoot, I want to see it too. I'm gonna take this hot comb and probably do the stupidest thing of my entire life. Okay, okay. We're still not accomplishing anything yet. This is cute. Okay, so then I got these like little side pieces, you feel me? And I can just like add some curls to them. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these bangs in the comments. Cause I really be coming on here just doing anything. And if y'all don't let me know, your girl is just gonna keep just coming on here and doing anything. Yeah, son. What is this one? Did you just not get the memo? Oh my God. Just didn't get the memo. But y'all see where I was going with this though. Like, y'all see the vibes though. Like, y'all see the intent, like the motivation. Okay, y'all see that? Okay, okay. Oof, oof, because I don't know. I don't even want to curl this piece. That's how just like done with these bangs I am. I'm committed to these bangs like staying on my head. No matter how hard y'all go in the comments, I'm committed. Now I'm just gonna come out this curls and see what we've got going on, people. But hey, okay, we got the most out of our headband wig, honey. It's a look, you know, just it's happening. Like, it's happening. I should really put that on a shirt. Would you guys buy a shirt that said it's happening? Unless I knew the meaning behind it. And the meaning behind it is basically like, it's happening. We're not all happy about it. We're not all sad about it. We're not even angry about it. We feel some type of way, but it's happening. This ain't got bippity boppity boo, in my opinion. That's it for this video, you guys. I really hoped you enjoyed my content today of being completely pointless. If this video goes viral, I'm not gonna be upset. Hello, hey, everybody, subscribe to my channel. I make Amazon reviews of my wigs, okay? But this is it. This is the final look, you guys. Now I'm gonna go take some pictures like I'm a cutie. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop your Instagram name or any of your ads below so you can be entered in the chance of one of my shout outs. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the big thumbs up on your way out and hit those big red letters below and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers, watchers, or commenters in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.